My name is Paige, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, we're talking about cleaning today. And now we're going to get into bathroom cleaning, the toilet and the sink. I have always used an all-purpose cleaner with bleach, such as Comet. I find that works the best, and it's abrasive enough to get it clean. So what you want to do first is simply run some hot water. Get your rag warm. Sprinkle your Comet or all-purpose cleaner everywhere. And then you simply want to clean your sink the best you can. If you are having a hard time getting behind your faucet and your sink, you can use a toothbrush. Use an old toothbrush that I pull out of the bottom of my sink or wherever I keep my cleaning supplies. It's one that I used to use. I like to label it so that I know that this is a bleach brush now and no longer a toothbrush. And then you can actually get in there in between the crevices and really go to town scrubbing. In all of those areas. If you're having some trouble spots, you can let it sit and come back to it. In our kitchen segment, we've talked about how to clean your faucet so that it doesn't have those stains. After this dries, I'm going to do the same thing and take a dry cloth and simply go over my stainless steel on my sink, my toilet bowl handle, and in my shower to be able to get that stainless steel shiny so that it looks nice and clean. Because this all-purpose cleaner will leave a residue mark on your stainless steel. So you just want to take a dry cloth and go over it. And that's the most effective way to clean your sink.